Picture this, you are all geared up for a ride, you hit the starter, and nothing. Your engine just will not fire up. Before you panic and dive into complex diagnostics, there is one super simple check that many riders often overlook. Are you wondering if your motorcycle might be out of gas? To quickly check your motorcycle's fuel level when it will not start, first visually inspect the tank by opening the fuel cap and looking inside. If you cannot see the fuel, gently rock the bike side to side while listening for any sloshing sounds. Also, always confirm your fuel petcock, if your bike has one, is in the correct position for fuel flow. The core reason your motorcycle needs fuel is for combustion, which is the process that powers your engine. Without an adequate supply of gasoline reaching the engine, it simply cannot ignite and start, no matter how strong your battery or spark plug might be. Many modern bikes have fuel injection systems with electric fuel pumps, but older models or some newer ones still relying on a manual petcock, which acts as a valve to control fuel flow from the tank to the carburetor or fuel injection system. Start by turning your handlebars to one side, opening the fuel cap, and peering down into the tank. Many fuel tanks have an anti-siphon screen or a filler neck, so try using a small flashlight to get a better view if needed. Next, with the bike upright, gently rock it from side to side. Listen carefully for the distinct sound of liquid sloshing around. If you hear nothing, your tank is likely very low or completely empty. For bikes equipped with a petcock, locate the lever, which is usually found on the side of the fuel tank or near the carburetor. Ensure it is set to the on position. If your tank is almost empty, try switching the petcock to reserve. This taps into a lower portion of the fuel tank, giving you a small amount of extra range. Some petcocks also have a prime setting, which can help fill the carburetor bowls after the bike has been sitting for a long time, but it is not typically used for starting issues directly related to an empty tank. An interesting insider tip is that many motorcycles, particularly older or off-road models, do not have a precise fuel gauge. They might have a warning light or no indicator at all, relying solely on your knowledge of the reserve tank. This is why these simple physical checks are so vital for a swift diagnosis. Also, remember that a common issue on older bikes with a vacuum-operated petcock is that the vacuum line can become cracked or disconnected, preventing fuel from flowing even if the tank is full and the petcock is in the correct position. Mastering these quick and easy fuel level checks will save you a lot of frustration and guesswork when your motorcycle refuses to start. You will be able to confidently diagnose a dry tank or an incorrectly positioned petcock in minutes, getting you back onto wheels and enjoying the open road much faster without needing a tow.